Hi everyone! Today I'm here with Chevelle, who is my model, and we are doing a photo shoot at the beach. This is a super simple photo shoot. Chevelle did her own makeup. We're wearing one dress, so only doing one outfit, and I've just got one camera with the 35mm on it, and we're going to take photos for like an hour, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, I reckon if you sit up on this mountain, have your legs like hanging off. But yeah, just like we did last time, like nice natural. You're like already in the zone. Yeah, this is pretty. My face is way so like the wind blows a little bit of hair on your face because that'll look nice.
Like that?
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. That's so pretty. I'm gonna come in for like a little close-up because the breeze looks so nice. We can do some smiling photos if you feel like it. I love this one. Can we get you maybe sitting cross-legged facing this way?
Like out?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe in like this little patch of grass. And then the wind will be a little bit more in your favor this way as well. Yeah, that's so cool. And did you want to do one with your feet, like maybe here? Yeah, to the side. Yeah.
I can almost be taking photos of you as well, like your hair is like equally as like
with the wind. I like that. Awesome. These are looking so good.
Oh, I like it.
The wind is just like so crazy. That's so pretty.
To come right up to me.
Oh yeah, if you see the water coming, just like run away. Oh, I like that. Do you want to lean forward and like kind of grab your ankles? I might get one like full body shot here as well. Stop! Stop! Doggy! And let me get one from this side because the wind's like really hard right now. Oh, the wind like kind of stopped for a second. Oh, it's so pretty this way. I love this beach because of like all the reflections.
Yeah.
You got the dog in the background of that one.
It's so majestic.
I know, it's like leaping. That's pretty. Oh my gosh. This beach is honestly the best. Oh, they're like twins. They're so cute. Do you have any dogs? I might just get one last shot of you just like walking away from me, like a more landscapey kind of shot. So yeah, just go for it.
Ready?
Yeah. And maybe swing your arms around a little bit for a couple. Awesome. And do a little spin if you can. Perfect.